Hey guys, it's Kay from Cutback, and we are back with Cutting It Back with Cutback. If you've been seeing these trendy captions and subtitle styles all over your YouTube feed, Instagram Reels, TikTok For You page, and have no idea how to go about making them, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to add trendy animated captions to your videos in a matter of seconds. Before I do though, please make sure to subscribe to the Cutback channel for more tips and tricks on how to elevate your Premiere Pro game. You might be thinking that adding captions to your video is annoying or a waste of time or so much effort, and it would be so much easier if you didn't have to do it. But statistics show that at least 70% of social media users are consuming videos without the sound and by relying on the captions. Captions are essential not only as a visual hook, but also for attention and accessibility. So we've dipped our toe into the appetizers, let's get into the meat of things. So typically in Premiere Pro, you would open up the essential graphics panel and then type in your captions and then spend a whole lot of effort on trying to make your captions look professional by adjusting the style, adjusting the position, adding transitions to them like fade-ins or pop-ups, anything like this. Or you would give all of that up and just go for some template that you're not really satisfied with, but at least it saves you time, right? And maybe if you're a bit on the advanced side, you'd be spending time making little keyframes to make sure that the transitions are smoother and creating things like motion paths and spending time customizing those to your satisfaction. However, while that's all good and well, it is very time consuming. Now you can make animated captions in the click of a couple of buttons and call it a day. Here's how to get started making animated captions in Premiere Pro using the Cutback plugin. First, you're going to want to download the Cutback plugin if you haven't already. Type Cutback video into Google or simply click the link in our description below to lead you to the homepage. Click download for free and then follow the instructions to install the Cutback plugin. If your Premiere Pro is open already, you're going to want to close it and then open it again to find Cutback in your extensions panel. Then you should go into the Cutback window and scroll the menu until you find the Edit Captions menu. Transcribe your video, and then you're going to be able to make a number of adjustments, including the length of your captions, line breaks, editing words, etc. Here you can also use features like spell check to check for any grammar or spelling mistakes after you've made your adjustments. You can also change your caption format in one go by making big changes, like for example, if you don't want a certain punctuation like exclamation marks in your captions, then you can adjust that in this menu. And you can also translate your captions into over 30 languages. Click apply edits to sequence and it'll ask you if you want to create Premiere Pro captions or if you want to make animated captions in the available styles on Cutback. If you've added translations, it'll ask you if you want to split the track for that as well. Next, choose from any of the karaoke style trendy captions available and apply them to your video. Alternatively, when you start editing, if you already know that you want animated captions in the available styles on Cutback, then you can skip straight to the animated captions menu and apply a similar process. And that's it. That's the video. It's as easy as that. Want to level up your video captions? Try out the feature on Cutback for free and let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Cutback channel for more Premiere Pro tips and tricks in the future, and we'll see you in the next video.